deadlines? Within the hour?
I have a stack of homework as high as the Eiffel Tower. Oh me, oh my. I think I'm gonna cry. Wait, I can do this. All I have to do is try.
Why so stressed? It's only a test.
A cat in a hat? This is insane. Look what's... Okay, good. He won't find me here. That cat in a hat is really weird.
Hide and seek? What a fun game. Rhyming and playing is my middle name.
I don't want to play with you. I have all this work to do.
You don't want to play? Oh, what a crime. Not even with this box and two friends of mine?
No!
Airball.